yourself about a pound of hamburger, half pound. Grab yourself some carrots. You can use some frozen ones, but I'm using some fresh ones here. Grab yourself all 6-7 potatoes. Okay, some mincing ones. Between medium and small, that is. Right on. Okay, grab yourself some mushrooms. Grab yourself some peas. Some frozen corn. Now you're going to want an onion. Grab yourself some garlic. Okay, grab yourself some flours. Grab yourself some all-purpose flour. There we go. The original. Okay, right on. Okay, now, in the spices, you're going to need some thyme, some salt. Grab yourself some paprika. Grab yourself some black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of bouillon, beef bouillon. A little bit of the dub. Grab yourself some ketchup. Okay, we're going to need that. Okay, and then just brown up that hamburger. Grab yourself one big onion. Chop up your onion into nice little small pieces. Like not super small, but pretty small here. Get your hamburger all nice and kind of into little crumbly pieces. I like using lean ground beef here because then you don't have too much grease here. Okay, and then in this particular recipe, we're not going to have to drain it off. Here, I'll show you. And then once you got that browned up, boom, just toss your onion in there. Okay, a lot of people like using minced garlic and whatnot, but what I'm going after here on this is I'm going to throw in, just going to dice them up myself here, and then boom, 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, I'm going to throw in just a little bit of beef bouillon, like basically about 1 cube there, just to kind of give it some of that good, nice beefy taste that you're looking for here. Okay, right on. And then we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of salt. Toss that in there. Myself some black pepper. I like using ground myself here. And what we're going after there is about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika. If you had some fresh thyme, that would be wicked. But you know what? I'm going with about a half teaspoon of thyme on top. Grab yourself the dub. Okay, right on. And then what we're going after here, guys, is we're going 2 teaspoons of the Worcestershire sauce there. Grab yourself your ketchup and kaboom. Boom, 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 boom. You're going after about 4 tablespoons here. I got this on kind of about just kind of in between a aluminum, right? Halfway in between. And yeah, just mix that up. Okay, grab yourself 2 cups of water, your big boy spoon, and your flour. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to make a little slurry here. That's what we're going to do. We're going after 1, 2, and a 3. 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of water. Okay, and then over here, what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to reduce this down to a low, just above low, kind of a aluminum, right? It's halfway in between low and medium. Okay? And just kind of give that a little, oh geez. Man, if you guys were here to smell this, it's just enough to knock the cat off the fence. I'm telling you, it's awesome. Okay guys, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of fry this a little bit here, just before we throw in our slurry here. Probably I'll give it, oh geez, probably about, oh, I'm gonna say probably about 5 minutes. Okay, and another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up, oh geez, probably about 6 or 7 white mushrooms. Because I love mushrooms. We're going to throw in some mushrooms in there. Kaboom! We're going to let that go like that for, oh geez, probably I'm going to say 5 minutes. Now we've had that been going for about 5 minutes, just getting it all nice and mixed up. Grab yourself your water and your flour, your slurry, and just pour that in there. Kind of like create a little gravy mixture. And then you're just going to mix that in. Get it all nice and mixed. Reduce this down to a low heat now. And let it go for 15 to 20 minutes. Throw some water in there, some cold water here, and throw your mashed potatoes in here, and we're going to boil this up and do some mashed potatoes. Oh, this is smelling delicious. Grab those carrots. Okay, and then what I like doing, guys, is just cutting them up nice and kind of thin pieces. You know, you could use frozen carrots if you wanted to, that would be okay, but you know, this is what I'm going after here. Get your mashed potatoes going here, just boil them up and get yourself a fork and just poke them a little bit here. You know, every place takes a little bit different time to do, but generally I find they take about 10 minutes, but just keep poking them a little bit. And then you do your mashed potatoes however you like here. I'm going to do a different video just on that specific. But what I'm going to use is I'm going to use some butter, some ranch dressing, an egg. And I might find another thing or two to throw in there just to spruce her up. Okay guys, I normally like using Parmesan cheese in there, but you know what, man? I throw in a tiny bit of mozzarella cheese too. Why not? Oh man, delicious, guys. Look at it. Just look at it. Would you look at it? Yeah. Grab yourself an oven-safe bacon pan, right? I'm using this Pyrex pan is what I'm using. Got that going for about 17 minutes there. Oh yeah. Just throw your meat mixture over in there. Now at this point, guys, here, if you want to make any adjustments to what you got going on here, give it a little taste. So you want to spice it up, or if it's good, you know what, man? I think that's delish there. Your carrots. Grab yourself your frozen peas, probably about a cup. I'm gonna throw in probably about a half a cup, quarter cup. Okay, and then what we're gonna do here, guys, is just kind of push that into your meat mixture. Get that all nice and okay, fire up that bad boy there to 400. Boom. After probably about, couple, 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay. And then, you know, what I'm going to use here, and I've done this quite a few times, is some ranch dress. Toss that in there. Okay, and then what I'm throwing in is just 1 egg yolk. And then what I'm going with is just a little bit of mozzarella cheese. If you want to throw some milk in here, you can do that too here. Lots of people like doing that. I don't. So we're just gonna get this all nice and mashed up. And another thing, just about, not much. Just a little bit of paprika. Okay, right on. And then just take your mashed potatoes, grab yourself a fork, because a fork's going to work better for this one here. And just put your mashed potatoes over the top. And then just kind of spread out your mashed potatoes over top of everything. Okay, now another thing here you guys can do here is just put some fresh parsley, or if you don't here, use this a little bit over the top, will make it look all beautiful. Look at that. Hey, boom, throw it in there, 400 for half an hour. Well, there you have it, guys. Shepherd's Pie. Check that out. Right on. Okay, cool. Well, I am just gonna let that rest for, about probably 15-20 minutes or so. And then, yeah, have a little chow down. Alright, guys. Take a look at that. Take a look at that, man. Okay. Now for the moment of truth, the ability factor. Yeah, it's good. Really good. Give this recipe a try, man. It's damn tasty. Just to show you, they did have shepherd's pie mix, but you know what? I wanted to give this a try, man. And man, it's delicious. Hey, right on, guys. Thanks for dropping back and checking out another edition of Tank Top Cooking here, man. So you know how it is. Once, twice, 3 times a week, sometimes 4. I drop a vid, man. So yeah, hope you guys like that. Give it a try here. It's delicious here, man. And yeah, keep calm, be cool. Till next time.